L'Islanda, terra del ghiaccio e del fuoco, è caratterizzata da numerosi ghiacciai che coprono più del 10% del suo territorio. Noi abbiamo visitato alcuni dei luoghi più caratteristici e famosi di questa terra selvaggia.
Down from the main ice cap. So imagine the ice cap is my hand, okay? And then we have outer glaciers. They're like my fingers, okay? So they just flow down the main ice cap. This is one of the outer glaciers. The one next to it is called viaggio, and it's also one of the fingers of the main ice cap. The ice cap name, you might have heard of it. Yoghurt is the biggest in Europe. It translates for water glacier. Okay, so just to give you a bit of information, something really cool to know, cool and sad, this glacier is disappearing and it's going to be gone in less than 100 years. So all this water that we have here is melted glacier. 20 years ago you could actually get on the ice at the very beginning of this lake. Okay, so basically what happened is the glacier started growing, just look at my foot, growing and pushing the terrain like this, and then it started retreating. And what was left of it filled up with the water, not the water. You can adjust it from the back. It has a little wheel. You can make it bigger or smaller. The strap underneath your chin doesn't have to be super tight, just enough so it won't come off. Yeah?
Quando ci ritroviamo circondati dal ghiaccio e dalla bellezza del Vatnajökull, ci rendiamo conto della responsabilità che abbiamo di preservarlo e di rispettarlo.
La cosiddetta Diamond Beach deve il suo nome ai numerosi blocchi di ghiaccio di cui è coperta. A causa del cambiamento climatico, pezzi del ghiacciaio vicino si staccano, arrivando fino alla spiaggia dove le onde dell'oceano ne plasmano la forma.